Hello and welcome, I'm Trip. Welcome back to another video, and today I'm doing something I probably should have done a long time ago. What is one of the first mods that a lot of people normally do to their car? It's usually like a steering wheel or shift knob, simple mods. I've had this car since 2015, so 7 or 8 years or so. I've had this car, and I'm still have the factory steering wheel, kinda ish. It's mostly though. As you can see, my steering wheel has seen better days. Might have a few zip ties holding it together. It's been like this for almost a year, and yeah, I think it's about time I got a new one. Yeah, ever since I had it blow up in my face, haven't bothered to replace it. Just send it. Let's see what I'm replacing it with. This is a Sparco all 353 wheel. Pretty nice, pretty fancy. Should look pretty good in there. I went with the one that doesn't have the button in the middle. I think it's a little bit cleaner look. And I'm going with the NRG quick release. And just my basic hub adapter, and I have some resistors for the light, the airbag light. So hopefully I can get rid of the light. So let's put this thing on. But first, we gotta take the old one off. You can help me? You wanna take it off for me? One of the first things I'm gonna do is disconnect the battery, because even though I don't have an airbag to worry about, I still don't want the horn blowing in front of me in my face. Okay, the next thing is I need to take the airbag portion off. It's kind of hard to see, but if you look in that hole, there's like a little metal clip, kind of looks like a paper clip type thing. You gotta press it. I'm trying to remember if you have to press it in or out. It's been a minute since I've done this. Okay, now that this is out of the way, you can see a little bit better. Just through these holes, you see this little pin. Push it in to and pull on the airbag forward. Do that on both sides. There's one on this side. There's also one down here as well. So do that, and it should fall out. And mine looks a little different since I don't have an airbag in it. You want to disconnect the airbag, disconnect all your little plugs and can plugs, and get rid of this. After you got this off, you gotta take this nut off, which is a 17 mil. So break that loose. Don't completely take it out yet, just most of the way. That way you can yank on the steering wheel to loosen it up. You might have to beat on it like from the back side or something to loosen it. The reason you leave the nut on, that way you don't pull it and it smacks you in the face. That might help. Now we can get rid of this. Okay, now that everything's out of the way, make sure you don't pull the clock spring out. You want to leave that in there. Next, I'm going to do the resistors. Normally you'll plug the resistors straight into the plug that's on the airbag, but since mine got messed up and I ended up just cutting them off, I'm going to have to solder or crimp these directly to the wires. As you see, I got my 2 sets of resistors on. Now I need to put my little adapter on. Now next step is to install your adapter. Your wire should go through the top hole here, so just snake it through. Now I gotta put my 17 mil nut back on. Good and tight. Okay, as you see, I have all my wires kind of shoved in there. Next, I'm going to take this part of the quick release, NRG facing up, bolt this to there with the supplied hard wheel. If you can see it, I know it's dark in here, sorry. Hey, that fits. Now I just need to take this piece, put it on my new steering wheel. Okay, got my steering wheel, figure out which way is up. Obviously this way. Find your logo, the NRG logo. Make sure it's facing up. Don't know. Take these long screw guys. You want to go through the face of the steering wheel into the adapter. So let's screw these in. Hey, it's on. Looks good. Actuates like it's supposed to. Now let's throw it on a car. See how it goes on. Nice and smooth. Feels tight. No play in the steering wheel itself and the adapter. I know I don't have the best lighting and stuff in here. Kind of dark in my garage. But everything's black on black. On black. Pretty clean. I'm happy with it. Now if you do want to still keep your cruise control, they do make little plates that mount to the back side of your new steering wheel, where you can unbolt all this and attach it to the little plate. And also if you want to obtain your horn, you have to run that little grounding strap through the center of the steering wheel and through that hole. So yeah, but I don't have cruise control anymore. I don't have a horn anymore. And if your airbag is still good, sell it. They're worth a decent amount of money if they're still good. So you can help pay for some of this. Hey, that was a quick, easy project, but I am running out of daylight, so I wanted to shoot this real quick. Yeah, something everybody can do, and it makes a huge difference. Visually, the inside of your car feels good, looks good. Yeah, one of those things I've been putting off for years. I think the plane's gonna crash on me. I don't live too terribly far from the airport, so it can get kind of loud here sometimes. But I hope you got something out of this video, enjoyed it, and if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button to see some other FRS BOZ content or other ways called content. Maybe I'll do something with that one day. Just been sitting for a long time. I still need to finish my radiator ducting. The front's done other than paint. I still need to do the exit side of it. So maybe I'll do that soon. So come back for that, and I will catch you next time. Peace.